pulling all my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
So guys, it's on a Sunday. Naona pressure cooker iko na red pale. Hizo ni mbosho zinaiva. I want to make coconut rice and coconut beans, maharagwe ya nazi. And I'm undoing my hair, that's why unaona inakaa hivyo. I'm undoing it na nimetoka huko na huko nje. Nikakuja, nilikuwa na Marvin. Nikakuja nikifeel joto nikasema nitoe. So usijui nini anafanya. Anapanga. Say hi.
I am guys.
Okay. I don't know what he said. I didn't understand anything. Only God did. So, I want to make coconut rice. Myself, I don't like coconut. Hata sikulangi coconut, by the way. Siipendi. But nimenunua ile coconut powder. I'm not using the coconut milk ama the coconut cream. I'm using the coconut powder. Let me show you. This is what I'm using. Nimekabai 60 bob. This one. I bought it at 60 bob. I hope itakuwa tamu. I hope. I don't like coconut, but let me try this. So, that is what we'll be taking for dinner. I wanted to make shafashi. Let me say shafashi. Nisiseme na Kiswahili asiradanishe aanze kuitisha hapa. So, I wanted to make shafashi, but sijui nimeboeka, nimeingiwa na kauvivu ama ni nini. So, nikaona nipike tu kamchele. Imeisha? Okay, put it there. So nikaona tu nipike kamchele ka coconut. I hope I will love it. If I'll do, hey, I'll be making that every day. And those chats. Anyway, hazinibambi ziku hapa, but the situation is the situation. So it's ready. This is the rice. Hapo nimechotea my son ndio ipoange. And this is the beans. beans. So I have tasted the food. I'll be doing that. I'll be putting coconut like in everything. But can you put in everything? Hebu niandikie hapo kwa comment section. Mniambie kama mtu anaweza weka coconut in everything. So, but mchele iko na some crunchiness hiyo coconut. Nimewambia nimetumia ile ya powder. Iko na some crunchiness. Na sijui kama my son atakubali kukula. Akikula nitawaandikia hapa chini. Because he doesn't like anything crunchy in his food. Kama ni maneno na crunchiness anajua ni biscuits, you know, those snacks, crisps. But when it comes to food, anajua kunanga kitu crunchy. So hata akisikia carrot kwa chakula yake na asikie ni crunchy, anatafunanga hizo zingine, carrot anatoa. So after I noticed that, I always overcook my carrot. Like, si vile naweza ipenda, but inaiva kabisa. So, sijui kama atakula. So, let me serve the food, then we eat, and then that will be it. So, see you on another day. I don't know when. So, yeah, this was just a random day in my life. So, yeah. I hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe. Kindly. Road to 1K subscribers. Bye-bye.